G'day, I'm Dr. Peter Price of Classroom Professor. Let me welcome you to this program of free math worksheets via your inbox every week. If I may, I'd like to hazard a guess as to why you're here today. I think you're probably here because you really care about your students and their future. In fact, you love your students and you care about the quality of the learning that they have at school, and you want to equip yourself to be the very best teacher that you can be. But if you have had a look on the internet for free math worksheets as I have, you've probably been a bit disappointed, shall we say, at what is on offer. Most of the worksheets that are out there, in fact all the ones that I've looked at, every single one, had numbers that were generated by a computer. They're randomly selected, they're randomly ordered, and frankly they're not much use at all for helping students to learn their mathematics. The problem is not a shortage of worksheets or a shortage of questions. Computers can do millions of these things in a blink. The problem is that they really won't help students to learn. Now, the worksheets that I will send to you have been designed by a teacher and are designed to take advantage of connections between numbers and an appropriate pedagogy to help students to really learn their various mathematical skills. For example, we have a set of worksheets that is to teach students the +9 addition facts. Now, 9 isn't a particularly simple number to add, and if you wanted to count on 9 that would be too slow and so on. But if students can see that 9 being next to 10 can be added taking account of that fact, then that makes it much easier. So for example, in our worksheets for +9 we'll have pairs of questions like 10 plus 6 followed by 9 plus 6. So the students will know 10 plus 6 is 16 because they've learned their T numbers. 9 plus 6 must be 1 less, so that's 15 and so on. So all our worksheets are designed that way, to help students to think, help them to develop mathematical understanding, and help them to see the connections between all these little pieces of information that they're learning. So I hope that sounds like something you'd be interested in. Do enter your name in the box on the right, add the country that you teach in so I can avoid your summer holidays, and I'll see you on the next screen.